All right, here are the only 5 Claude Cowork plugins that you need and how to actually use them. Number 1 is the data analysis plugin. You can drop any CSV into your Claude Cowork folder, and if you type \data:\explore, I'm gonna put it right here, so just pause the video and write that down. Claude will read the entire data set. It's gonna flag any anomalies. It's gonna tell you exactly what is wrong before you've even told it what to look for. And so honestly, if you work with any data at all, this is worth using Claude Cowork. Number 2 is the productivity plugin. If you type \productivity:*, once again, I'm gonna put it right here, so be sure to pause and write this down. Or if you want, just bookmark this video for later for when you need it. But if you type that every single morning before you open up Slack or check your email, Claude is going to pull your calendar. It's going to look at the tasks on your to-do list. It's going to draft your whole day plan for you in seconds. After a week, it's going to feel like you have your own chief of staff or virtual assistant who actually knows your priorities. The third plugin is the sales plugin. Type \sales:*call-prep, aka this right here. It's going to pull your CRM, research all of your prospects. It's going to hand you an entire briefing doc. So if you're in sales, what used to take 90 minutes of prep can now be done in like 5 minutes. And you don't have to do any of the work. Claude Cowork's going to do it all for you. And it even has a battle card feature, which is absolutely nuts. It's going to have specific rebuttal language that you can use that is mapped to each of their competitors' exact claims, not just generic talking points for your call. So you can be armed and you can be closing more deals. Number 4 plugin is product management. So say that you have a messy idea in your head or you've written out a lot of ideas in your notes app and you need to turn it into some form of plan that someone can actually follow and execute on. If you type this above, it's going to ask you a few clarifying questions about the notes, and it's going to build a structured doc with exactly what needs to get done and how you'll know when it's finished. You can use this for any task. For example, one project manager turned 47 Slack messages of back and forth feedback into a complete handoff doc for someone in 20 minutes. And then the 5th and most slept on plugin is the marketing plugin. As long as you have a brand voice markdown file that explains everything about your company, you can type this above and point it at that brand voice markdown file, and it's going to write content in your actual voice, not AI slop, your voice. One marketing director even drafted a month's worth of LinkedIn content in one single session with Claude Cowork using the marketing plugin. My recommendation is start with productivity. That is the most helpful for your day-to-day life, and then use the one that fits whatever role you are in. And if you want to learn more about these Claude Cowork plugins or how to use an even more powerful tool like Claude Code, we teach you exactly how to do this and give you ready to execute systems in my school community, Zero to Automated. Be sure to check it out in my bio. We'd love to see you guys in there.